Snoop Dogg and Master P have filed a lawsuit against Walmart and the Post cereal brand, and I have all the details for you coming right up. Let me explain. Master P and Snoop Dogg came together to found the business Brodus Foods. And under the Brodus Foods brand, they decided to sell their cereal brand, Snoop Loopz. But that's where things got a little tricky. Fruit Loops is owned by the Kellogg cereal brand. They, of course, were not impressed by Snoop Loopz, and they were forced to change the cereal brand from Snoop Loopz to Snoop Cereal. When the Brodus Fruit brands decided to come to an agreement with Post Foods, it was agreed that Post would sell their Snoop cereal in the Walmart stores. Snoop and Master P filed a lawsuit back in February of 2024, saying that Walmart was not doing their job. They went into several Walmart stores and realized that their product was nowhere on the shelves. Customers were going in the store to look for the brand. The brand was oftentimes in the back. Post Foods and Walmart are claiming that the reason why the cereal was not on the shelves is because there was very little demand. What do you think? Do you think that Walmart is holding items in the back and intentionally sabotaging the Snoop cereal brand? Let me know in the comments. So if you want to start your business or learn more about a trademark or a copyright, book a meeting with me today. And as always, before being anyone else's business, make sure you go ahead and start your own, okay? Bye.